In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a timed, less guided meditation and set bell chimes in the Calm app on iPhone. Let's get you into a simple, focused session with just the right amount of structure. Begin by opening the Calm app on your iPhone. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom and tap the Discover tab. This is where Calm organizes its library, so heading here makes it easy to find exactly what you need. Next, select Meditation. This filters the content to meditation-specific options rather than sleep or music. At the top of this section, you'll see a row of categories. Swipe along the options and look for Less Guidance, then tap it. This category is perfect if you prefer minimal or no voice instruction, allowing you to settle into your own rhythm. Now choose Timed Meditation. This feature gives you a clean, customizable timer so you can pick how long you'd like to sit without a guided track. On the duration screen, tap the time that matches your intention today, whether it's a short reset or a deeper session. Your selection determines how long the timer will run, so choose what feels realistic and supportive. After you pick the time, wait a moment for the session to begin. The player screen will appear with a simple interface and a countdown. Give yourself a breath or two to arrive, noticing the space, your posture, and how you want to approach the next few minutes. There's no need to rush. Once the player is up, you tap the settings icon. Depending on your version of the app, this might look like a small gear or a controls menu. Inside, find the bell chimes option. Tap it to toggle chimes on or off, and if the app offers it, adjust the frequency. Some versions let you set chimes at the start and end, or at intervals during the session. Choose a pattern that gently keeps you on track without pulling you out of your focus. That's it. You're now in a non-guided timed meditation with chimes tailored to your preference. If it helps, keep your attention on a simple anchor, like the breath, bodily sensations, or ambient sounds, while the timer runs in the background. A comfortable seat, a stable surface, and a quiet environment can all support a smoother experience. Quick recap. Open Calm, tap Discover, choose Meditation, select Less Guidance, pick Timed Meditation, choose your session length, wait for the player to start, then use the settings to manage bell chimes. When you're ready, settle in and let the timer handle the rest. Enjoy your practice.